Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now I'm going to do this quick unboxing of this Sydenbox case that I picked up on Amazon for the iPhone 16 Pro. Now, this is a pretty big box, so I really hope that I got the right case. It's not for the Pro Max version. Let's see. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Now you can pick this case up on Amazon. It's I believe $15. So let's make sure that this is the right case. This is a pretty big box for a case. Let's see here. Alright, so the box is a lot bigger than the case. So alright, here we go. Sydenbox case. So inside the box we have the case, and then we have some paperwork, installation package, and also screen protector. Alright, so this is a tempered, so that's great, and I think there's two pieces. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this to the side and open up the case. Alright, and let's see how this works. Alright, so here's the case. Alright, you got this navy blue. Feels really sturdy. Oh yeah, it's strong. Yeah, this is strong here. Let's go ahead and put it on. And let's see how it snaps in there. Alright, that's the case. Now, as you can see that it does have protection here. So you can see that if you drop it face down, it will have protection. Alright, so it does have a cushion up here. So that's good. The buttons are clicky. And let's see. Alright, so volume rockers up, down. Alright, the buttons were good. And power button here. Alright, that's fine too. You can also access your photos. Alright, so that's the case. Now, if you don't have a screen protector installed, I suggest you install it. I already have one on here, so I'm not going to go ahead and put the screen protector on. But if you don't have a screen protector, then you can use the one that's in the box. So anyways, guys, this is the Sydenbox case, and let me know what you guys think about this one. So if you like this channel, subscribe down below. Until next time, stay safe and take care.